In this part of the project, we are going to configure our internal email system. For this setup, we install the mail server software on PCD, which will handle all email communications within our network. We installed the MailEnable mail server software on PCD. After completing the installation process, we launched the MailEnable administration panel. From here, we configured our mail domain and created user accounts for internal communication. Next, we created a mail domain. The domain name configured was lnbti.com. This domain will be used for all internal email accounts in our network. After creating the domain, we verified that it was properly registered in the MailEnable system. After setting up the domain, we created the required email accounts. The accounts created were client@lnbti.com, developer@lnbti.com, hosting@lnbti.com, and registrar@lnbti.com. Each account was assigned a username and password inside the MailEnable management console. These accounts simulate real-world communication between a client, developer, domain registrar, and hosting provider. Select localhost under servers. Then select services and connectors. Click on webmail, select properties. Click on configure. Now check whether the site configuration set to default. Then click OK. After that, go to the mewebmail.localhost, select properties. Now set host name as mail.lnbti.com. Set default post office as lnbti.com. Apply the changes. Insert mail.lnbti.com equals 10.20.30.52 to the dual DHCP configuration file. After saving the changes in the configuration file, we started the DHCP service to apply the updated settings. Now open your web browser. To test the email system, we access the MailEnable webmail interface using a web browser. We opened web browser and entered the webmail login address. Then we logged in using the credentials of each created user. Now we tested internal communication between users. First, we logged in as client@lnbti.com and sent an email to developer@lnbti.com. Then we logged in as developer@lnbti.com and verified that the email was successfully received. This confirms that the mail server is functioning correctly. we verified that the MailEnable service were running properly in the services panel. This ensures reliable email transmission and retrieval within the network. At this stage, our internal mail server is fully operational. All users under the lnvti.com domain can send and receive emails successfully. With the email system configured and tested, we are now ready to move on to website development and hosting configuration in the next stage.